All right, let's go ahead and look at question number 4. This one says the function f of x is shown in the graph, and we have a picture of that on our card here. The function g of x is equal to f of x plus something added, and they're calling that b. They say if the equation g of x equals 0 has exactly one solution, what is the value of b? In other words, what's being added to the original function so that we only have one solution? So let's take a look at what we have originally. From the graph, we can see that our original function has two solutions. It has a solution at x equals -1 and also at x equals +3. We can also find another important point on this function, and that is, of course, the vertex. The vertex is located at x equals 1, y equals -2. Now, in the story, they're telling us that the g of x function, the transformed function, has only one solution. That means that this vertex must come up to the x-axis, and that must be the only point where the function g of x crosses the x-axis. So we have to ask ourselves, all right, how do we get this parabola to go up to the x-axis? Well, let's take a look and see where this vertex is located right now. Right now, it is currently located at y equals -2. And if I were to kind of shift this entire parabola up so that it is just sitting on the x-axis, that means I need to increase its y-intercept by 2. I need to add 2 to the original function. And really, it is just that simple. If I take f of x and add 2 to it, I will have transformed this function vertically up 2 units. In doing so, I'll have just a little rough sketch of this parabola. It'll look something like this. Where it crosses the x-axis only one time, the vertex will now be located at x equals 1, y equals 0, and that will be the one and only solution to this particular equation. So the solution to question number 4 is simply to add 2, or b equals 2 in this case. b equals 2.